My video tutorial will provide you with guidelines that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called My Weather tab. My Weather tab is the unwanted browser extension that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to basically change the default search engine settings without the user's permission. So, if it gets installed, you would have to surf the internet through other fake search engines that have not been chosen by you initially. This is all because of this My Weather tab extension. So, if you are not happy with all such amendments, you need to get rid of it by accessing the menu, More Tools, then choose Extensions. So if you see any third-party extensions here, disable and get rid of them. I would also recommend that you research your computer with the help of reliable antivirus software, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, so download the software, install it, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching the computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only Quick Scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.